Hello guys, welcome to this new episode. Today also we are going to discuss about ratio and proportion. Today we shall discuss one new theorem and we can do one problem also. So it can be applied in many chapters like ages, etc. Okay. So here is a theorem. The ratio between two numbers is given, A is to B. If each number is increased by x, the ratio becomes C is to D. Then the two numbers can be expressed as, here the initial ratio of the numbers and the final ratio of the numbers is given and each number is increased by x. So the equation is, what is the equation? To find the first number, x into a into difference between the final ratios, that is c minus d, divided by the difference between the cross products of the ratios, that is ad minus bc. And what about the second number? Second number will be x into b into difference between the final ratios, that is c minus d, divided by difference between the cross products of the ratios, that is ad minus bc. So if you study this equation, it will be very easy. So we will move on to the first question. The ratio between two numbers is 3:4. If each number is to be increased by 2, the ratio becomes 7:9. So we have to find the numbers. So here the initial ratio and the final ratio is given and the number, each number is increased by 2. So x is equal to 2. Now we shall discuss how to apply this value in the equation. So according to the equation, we want x is given as 2, then the ratio a is to b is given, that is 3:4, then c is to d is also given, that is 7:9. Okay. Now if we explain this, okay, now the first number will be, the first number will be what? X into a into c minus d, that is 7 minus 9, then cross product of the ratios, that is ad minus bc. So what is x? X is equal to 2 into a, that is equal to 3, into c minus d equal to 7 minus 9, that is equal to 2, divided by difference between the cross product, that is 3 into 9, 27, minus 7 into 4, 28, 27 minus 28, that is 2 into 3, 6, into 2 divided by 1, that is 12 divided by 1, that is 12. So the first number we got as 12. Then to find the second number, what is the difference? We will substitute a by b. So x into b into c minus d divided by cross product, difference of the cross product, that is ad minus bc. So 2 into 4 into c minus d we got 2, then ad minus bc we know it is 27 minus 28, that is 1. So the answer is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4 is 16, divided by 1, that is 16. So the two numbers are 12 and 16. Now try to memorize this equation in your mind and do the calculation without pen and paper. In objective type examinations, there are no marks for steps. Please remember that and try to do it mental calculation. Now we can do the above question in the usual way. If we consider the two numbers as 3x and 4x, and each number is increased by 2, means we will get 3x plus 2 and 4x plus 2. So it gives a ratio 7:9 as per the question. So what we will do? We will do cross multiplication. That gives 27 plus 18 is equal to 28 plus 14. Okay. Or 27x plus 18 divided by 28x plus 14 is equal to 1. So that means when we take this x values to one side and the numerical values to other side, what we will get? 28x minus 27x, okay, 27x plus 18 is equal to 28x plus 14. So we'll take this x variables to one side, that is 28x minus 27 is x is equal to 18 minus 14, that is 4 we'll get. So the first number will be 3x. So we will substitute the value of x, that is x is equal to 4. So 3 into 4, that is equal to 12 we will get. And for the second number is 4x, that is 4 into 4, that gives 16. Now if you remember this equation, no need to do these steps, you can directly substitute the values and you will get the answer. Now if a question comes, the ratio is 3:4 and if each number is increased by 6 and the final value is 4:5, find the numbers. Then what we will do, we know that 6 is x, then x into first term is 3, then difference between the final ratio, that is 4 minus 5, that is 1 we will get, and the cross product, that is 15 minus 16, that is 1. So 16 to 3 is 18. And for finding the second term, what we'll do, we'll substitute the term 3 by 4, that is 6 into 4 we'll get, that is 24. So we got the answer 16 and 24. See, it takes only seconds. Now you have to by heart the formulas, and actually you have to understand where to substitute this equations. Okay, if you have understood this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you.